Today's wine text is the Antucura single vineyard Cabernet Sauvignon from Vista Flores, Mendoza, in Argentina. Female winemaker and owner that makes this wine is literally the definition of hard work and being at really harsh conditions to make very good wine. When it comes to winemaking, she is definitely on the more modern side, especially with winemaking and growing. Just due to the fact that where her vineyards are in Mendoza, which are some of the highest altitudes, around just over 1,000 meters above sea level, she gets very minimal rain. So what she does is manual irrigation. She uses some of her own water to keep the grapes being, filling them and being able to grow at a very successful rate. But what makes her wine so special is that it's one of the brightest and most sun-exposed regions within Mendoza. While it's such high in altitude, not necessarily that the climate is warm, but the actual sun makes the grapes grow at a very successful rate. Fruit forward, I think there's a lot of tannins here, a lot of that black cherry, black currants. But this is super classic Cabernet style that you can find in places like Napa Valley, Bordeaux, and things like that nature, where you're going to pay a lot less. She makes a decent amount of wine, but in her single vineyard series, which are her best wines, where she goes out, she handpicks the grapes, brings them out, hand sorts the grapes, and only picks the best of the grapes to make this wine. You're still going to be able to find it around that $30 to $35 mark. On WineText, though, you're not going to pay that. It's obviously going to be a lot less, but the quality here is easily much more. South America is one of the best areas to find classic wines that you're used to buying, like Cabernets, Merlots, and things of that nature, but getting them for a lot less, but holding that same quality. Definitely open it up a little bit beforehand. I think Samara will definitely help, but over time, classic cab that I think will go well with pretty much anything going into the cooler months.